Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Stripe tax with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To update Stripe tax settings with Shopify, start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom of the left sidebar. In the settings menu, click on taxes and duties. Check the current tax settings and ensure they align with your business needs. Next, visit the Stripe dashboard by opening a new tab in your browser and logging into your Stripe account. Once in the Stripe dashboard, go to the settings icon in the upper right corner. Click on tax rates to view and manage your tax rates. Review your existing tax rates and determine if any need to be updated or added. If you need to create a new tax rate, click on the Add Tax Rate button. Fill in the required information, including the tax rate name, percentage, and applicable countries or regions. Save your changes once you've added or updated the tax rates in Stripe. Return to your Shopify admin panel and navigate back to the Taxes and Duties settings. Click on Edit next to the relevant tax region you want to update. In the tax settings, ensure that the tax rates reflect those you set in Stripe. If necessary, enter or modify the rates according to the information synced from Stripe. Once complete, save your changes in Shopify. To verify the updates, navigate to your Shopify store and perform a test transaction. Check if the calculated tax appears correctly based on your new settings. Make adjustments as needed to ensure accuracy in future transactions. Regularly monitor both platforms to maintain compliance with tax regulations. This ensures your customers are charged correctly based on the latest tax information. Following these steps helps streamline your tax management between Stripe and Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.